Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today for Stock Lock Sunday. It's an old Yale. I think you hear up on top it says lubricate with graphite or something like that. Super pin tumbler, lubricate with graphite. So we'll give her a shot. Oops. See about getting a. There we go. And let's see if we can get her done. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if we can find any binders in here. There's one. I think that was pin 3. Oh, I think that was pin 1. I don't know if that was good or bad. I don't know if it actually did anything except just moved it around a little bit. No, I'm not feeling anything now. I think I did that. I don't think. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Pin 5. Pin 5 got it. I'll be dang. All right, cool. So, yeah, that's an old Yale. I don't have a key for this thing, and it's just been sitting around. I don't think I don't think you could rake this. I'm pretty sure because of those. I know it's got to be spools in here. Let's see. Let's try rocking it. Okay. Nah. There's like I said, it feels like there's spools. So, I mean, it's got to be the way it was acting. Nah. Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a spool in 3. I think a spool there in 1. Yeah. Wow. I think I might have raked it to an overset. No, that one opened on number 1 that time. Oh, but dang. Okay, so, well, there it is, folks. Stock Lock Sunday. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye.